Okay, here's the second video for chapter 9, 6/4 chords. So second inversion chords are extremely unstable, and you can only use them in one of 4 very specific circumstances. The first is called a cadential 6/4. A tonic 6/4 chord, 1/6/4, is going to resolve to a 5 chord at a cadence. Really, it's decorating 5. It's really technically a suspension, just delaying the inevitable dominant. But it's a cadential 6/4. You will find it at a cadence. Number 2, passing bass 6/4. So the bass of the 6/4 acts as a passing tone, and it's usually found as 1/6/4 between a 4 and a 4/6, or as a dominant, a 5/6/4 between 1 and 1/6. I'm going to show you examples of all of these on the next slide, and I'll play them for you too. Number 3, an arpeggiated 6/4. The bass participates in an arpeggiation or outline of the same chord. It's rarely used other than tonic. You would just hear the bass would just literally do that. And number 4, a pedal 6/4. It's really just neighbor tones. The bass stays the same, and the 6/4 results from the other voice's movements. But please remember, the bass is always doubled in a 6/4 chord. Of course, there will be some voice leading considerations for a 6/4 chord. Of course, the most important one is to double the bass. So you're doubling the 5th of the chord. Number 2, approach and depart a 6/4 chord with as few skips as possible. Stepwise is the best kind of motion. Number 3, only in an arpeggiated 6/4 can the bass be approached or departed by skip. Because remember, the definition of arpeggiate really is skip, and that's what the bass is doing. And number 4, the use of 6/4 chords, you can only use them in any one of these 4 contexts. Cadential, I have best kind. It's the only kind that I will be allowing you guys to use. Passing, arpeggiated, and pedal. Just remember, there's no parallel octaves, fifths, or unisons. You can never double the leading tone, meaning scale degree 7. You want to stay in the range of the voices, and no augmented seconds or fourths. And here are the 4 types in their glory. I will attempt to play some of these for you. This is a cadential 6/4 here. Cadential, you heard it right here. It was the resolves down, and then you have the 1 chord. As a passing bass, looking at the first one here. So the bass just went 1, 2, 3. Or 4, 5, 6 if we're in C major. Great, skipping across to D, the arpeggiated bass here. We have so the bass goes, okay, and the pedal, which is pretty cool, is right here. And really the only thing that moves is going to be the inner voices. And that is 6/4 chords.